Did you know Denver's real estate market seen double-digit appreciation rates over the past few years? So if you're looking for a city with strong economy, growing population, and diverse investment opportunities, then Denver should be on your top list. So stick around and I'll show you why. If you know who I am, my name is Deepa Phillips. Welcome to my channel, Living in Denver, Colorado. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, welcome to YouTube channel. And if you're returning on my YouTube channel, thank you for tuning in. So if you're a buyer, seller, investor, have any questions on what's happening in Denver, leave a comment below. At the end of the day, I want to be a resource for you and your realtor for life. So first reason is strong economy, because we see how Denver is growing. It's getting very, very diverse. There's lots of major industries moving it into the Denver area, like technology. We have healthcare, energy, job market here is thriving, meaning there's more jobs for more people. People are moving to the city and driving demand for housing. So with the Denver market, economy is so strong and Denver has a lot to offer. And after the pandemic, lots of people just moved to Denver because they're like, yeah, we heard this city, Denver, before, let's check it out. And when they moved to Denver, they just saw like, wow, Denver has lots to offer, and they just started to migrate to the city. Another reason is the population growth. So Denver's population has been steadily growing thanks to its attractive lifestyle, outdoor activities, the vibrant culture. And we can see that many, many more people are moving to Denver, and more people equals more demand for housing for both renting and buying. And if you tour Denver, and you'll see lots of cranes in the Denver area, and people are just building. And great investment opportunity, you're an investor, and you would just see like lots of fix and flips. People are tearing down homes, building new homes, and just so much demand because the population of Denver is just growing, and people are just liking the lifestyle what Denver has to offer. Another factor, quality of life. So Denver offers excellent quality of life because of the beautiful weather. 300 days of sunlight. And by the weather being so beautiful, people are getting outdoors. People are doing lots of outdoor activities like riding their bike, rollerblading, kayaking, hiking, skiing, snowboard, and many, many more. And for this is good for the quality of life, because when people are moving to the Denver area, this is a good opportunity for like, all right, people moving to Denver, what can I do to entertain these people? Like what homes or what can I invest in the city of Denver to bring more opportunities for making a more desired place to live, which, you know, turns supports to property values of market. Another factor, real estate appreciation. So historically, Denver has been seen as strong property value for appreciation because lots of people are moving to Denver because of the lifestyle, and homes are increasing. I know I've talked to some locals or unicorns, you want to say that, the people who lived in Denver for a long time, and they said like, I have never seen this happen before, because living in Denver like 20, 30 years, home prices was affordable. And now lots of people are moving to Denver and home prices are going up and it's getting a lot more expensive. And I can't live in the city, people who are renters, I can't live in the Denver area because things are costing too much. And another thing that plays a role is inflation. Like during the pandemic, things were reasonable, people were buying food, but after the pandemic, lots of places with inflation because of prices of groceries, cost of everything, because people had to make money. And back to real estate appreciation, like as you investing in Denver, like there is so much growth in Denver by the infrastructure, the people building homes, the amount of people moving into Denver, and it's costing more and more expensive because the real estate is so much real estate to be built in Denver. Also with Denver is like a kind of like an old school city. Like most of the town was built in the early 1900s. And if you see these homes, they're like old bungalows. And lots of people, what they're doing is that they are tearing down these homes and building duplexes or building these nice luxury homes for the younger population. So what type of opportunities, investment opportunities out there? One could be single family home. They're a great starting point for many investors. They could be rented out, fixed, and flipped for profit. And Denver is a high demand for single family home in these neighborhoods. And because in the Denver area, you'll see a lot of these older homes, bungalow homes. What they're doing is that they're tearing it down, building these nice, big, beautiful homes, or they're using the existing home to fix and flip it and to sell it. And also with Denver growing so fast, there's a demand for more more homes. So if you're an investor and need to build homes, to build duplexes, there's a lot of land out there in Denver, or there's a lot of the old existing homes that you could tear down to build newer homes for the younger population. Condos, townhomes, another way for you to invest. These properties can be easier to be managed. They often come with lower maintenance costs. They're very popular among young professionals and empty nesters. And with condos, as I said, you don't have to, depending on what the HOA and what things you could do or what permits you could pull, they're very easier to manage. As I said, lower maintenance costs. If it's a condo, you will, depending on how many rooms, you might need new flooring, new kitchen, could be a new bathroom. Townhomes, as I said, whatever work needs to be done needs to be worked. And these are good places for young professional people who recently college graduates, mid-20s to mid-30s, people who haven't started a family yet. It could be also for like empty nesters, people who are looking to downgrade from a home, might want to have a condo life with all the amenities, or they might just want a townhome. And condos and townhomes are very good. As I said, cost is a lot lower than spending a lot of money in a single family, fixing it out and seeing what you need to do in the property. Another way you can invest, multifamily properties. So investing in duplexes, triplexes, apartment buildings can provide multiple streams of rental income. And this is good though, because let's say you're an investor and you or a couple buddies see an apartment complex and you could fix it up and make it turnkey and get that rental or that passive income. And multifamily properties, what I heard, are really good during college campuses, because in college campuses or university, kids need places to rent, to go to, housing for school, or it could be off campus. And finding apartment buildings or duplexes and triplexes are amazing for passive income for you to make some money. Another place for you to invest is commercial real estate. Denver's commercial sector is also booming. Office spaces, retail locations, industrial properties, very, very hot right now, and offer high returns, but typically require more significant investments and expertise. So back to commercial real estate. Office spaces, we know there's lots and lots of office spaces out there because what happened during the pandemic, people are working remotely. Now they're doing hybrid models, and there's lots of office spaces. What people were doing these office spaces, which this idea is that what they're doing is they're converting these office spaces to apartments for people to live. Retail, good place. It could be, you could find a place that could be like an old place. It could be a bunch of stores and going out of business. Retail's a good place if you can find a way to fix and flip it and try to find people who want to start their like nail salon business or be a bookstore or a coffee shop, and try to market to small business owners to start their business in these vacant retail locations. Industrial is big because they said industrial in 2014 is one of the hottest market for commercial real estate. And if you are a person in industrial, needs to find a spot, look into industrial investment as well. So I've talked about different ways for you to invest in Denver. So I said Denver is a great investment opportunity. And before you jump into investing, there are some few key considerations to keep in mind. So market research, always do your thorough research on a local market. Look at trends, property values, rental rates, and neighborhoods data to understand the market. Will help you make informed decisions. Financing is very, very important. Make sure you secure financing early. Talk to lenders to understand your options to get pre-approved for loans if necessary. And having your financing in place will give you the edge when making these offers. Another thing, property management. Decide whether you are about to manage your property yourself or hire a property manager. Usually for property management, they usually charge between a 10 and 20% fee for doing property. When you start and when you have one investment, you might do it yourself. But when you have multiple investment properties, a property management might be a good route for you to do. And also, when you hire a professional management, it can also save you some time and ensure your investments are well maintained as well. Investing in real estate, there are some risks. Real estate investment carries a lot of risk. Have a clear strategy and understanding about the contingency plans. You want to diverse your investments and prepare for market fluctuations. So if the market's hot, it's a win. But if the market is not doing so hot, or if the market went the opposite way, make sure that you're not going to stress out or lose all your money. Like when you do real estate investment, make sure you plan it very well. work with someone, plan a budget. So if it goes sideways, also on real estate investments, always good to work with attorney, like understand the legal and tax implications of your investments. Say work with attorney and professional to make sure you optimize your returns, because there's taxes, tax write-off. I'm not a tax professional, but if you work with a tax professional, you can find the loopholes to put more money back in your pocket and not get taxed on your investment properties. And also always work with a real estate attorney when it comes to legal stuff. So if something happens, God forbid, that people are not suing you for things that went bad or go after your personal earnings. So let's look at some Denver's hottest neighborhoods for real estate investment. Number one, Highlands. So Highlands is known for trendy shops, restaurants, historic homes. The Highlands is a favorite among young professionals and families. Highlands, it's popping. It's hot. Like, I feel lots of young professionals love the Highlands because it's away from downtown Denver and it's up and coming. Lots of cool restaurants, cool bars, and there is another place that's called Rhino Art District. Woo-wee. They're doing lots of things in the Rhino Art District. It's just booming with new development, art galleries, breweries, exciting place for both residential and commercial investments. So if you go to Rhino Art District, you can see amount of cranes that are up. Like, I feel like this is like the hottest spot in the future where people are going to live. Like, that's a great place for you to invest. Another place for you to invest would be Cherry Creek. Cherry Creek is going to cost you some money. It's a very upscale area with shopping, dining. Cherry Creek is a prime location because it's very central to Denver. Properties are very luxury, high-end investments. It's just very pricey. So if you do Cherry Creek, make sure you do your homework. Make sure you get a good ROI because it's a nice area. Everyone wants to live in Cherry Creek. You got the mall not too far there. It's just very nice. But make sure you do your homework. Cherry Creek. Another place you can invest is Five Points. And Five Points has lots of rich history and culture, and it's another up-and-coming neighborhood just like Rhino, but Five Points is a place that you want to invest. And as I said, Denver, you'd be surprised. There's so many different neighborhoods that you can invest, but it's all about the ROI. And like 5 Points and Rhino, these are some good areas for you to invest. And another place that I've seen lots of work happening is Washington Park. Washington Park has been one of the most beautiful parks, Central Illinois. It's very big, and people are just having a good time. Family-friendly atmosphere, and it's a great location. If you go to Wash Park, you will see lots of older homes being teared down and building nice duplexes, or they're building multi-million-dollar single-family homes. And Wash Park's a great area for you to park your money. So I've talked about so many different ways how to invest in Denver. And investing in Denver real estate can be a rewarding journey if you approach it with the right knowledge and strategy. And if you're a person new to investing, if you are an experienced investor, or if you want to find your next investment property, leave a comment below this video. And if you just need anything in investment, like any vendors or contractors or anything, also please leave a comment in this video and feel free to reach out. And before you leave, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more real estate tips and updates. And thank you for your time, and I'll see you soon.